Racing just is started with my jumping first to show quickness at the start, running by the rail, Mr. Environment, and on the outside now is Mount Panama, down on the inside Asikuda, the next online Ipira punchline, while Obitron is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Mount Panama moving up, Obitron, Ipira is on the outside, my jumping comes next, Asikuda, Mr. Environment, while punchline is the early trailer by about 8 lengths up the leader, and as they swing down the back, we have Mount Panama by about half length, moving up on the outside. Hobbytron Ipira comes next, then followed by My Jopeng, then here comes Punchline, now moving up to take fifth. Mr. Environment comes next, while Asikuda now racing in less than the fourth turn. The lead now belongs to Hobbytron by about 3/4 of a length lead. Ipira in second, Mount Panama, Punchline moving up on the outside. Mr. Environment comes next, My Jopeng and Asikuda, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Hobbytron this time by about 3 lengths, moving up on the outside. Punchline with about 150 meters more to run. Hobbytron, Punchline moving up on the outside. It's now Punchline followed by Hobbytron, and finally Punchline. Hobbytron, Ipira, then comes Mr. Environment.
726.
Yun. Medyo yung